Hello, this is Dr. Embody. Today we're going to take a look at a little string manipulation problem. Now suppose you're in an email and you want it to be shouting, and we do that with uppercase. Now Python provides us with a way to do that. Let's take a look at this. I've got a little string here. I am really mad. And one of the methods that Python has is the upper method. So we can go s.upper and it will convert all the characters into uppercase. Notice that it doesn't convert the comma because there's no such thing as an uppercase comma. Same thing with the exclamation point. So what would be interesting to do this time is to write Python code to manipulate the string without using the upper to do the same thing. And let's think about that for a moment. So what are we really looking to do? Is that every time I find a lowercase letter, I want to convert it into an uppercase letter. If it's already uppercase, we don't need to do anything to it. And same thing with like a comma or an exclamation point, or let's not forget the space, which is just another kind of character. So I just want to find the lowercase characters and then convert them to uppercase. Now, I've already typed in a string that's of lowercase characters and uppercase characters. And if you want to see how I did that, I simply entered it into the shell that way. Lowercase equals a string, uppercase equals a string. I saved myself that typing. And how might we do this? Well, notice how the characters line up with each other. So, for example, if I look at the letter Y, it's in the same position in the lowercase string as it is in the uppercase string. We can use that to our advantage. First of all, where is a character? Let's take something like the character D. Well, we can take lowercase and use the string method find to find out where in the string is the letter D, and it is position 3. Remember, we start counting at 0, so position, so we go 0, 1, 2, 3 is where our D in, and of course in the uppercase 0, 1, 2, and also in position 3. So once I have found its position, and I can say something like position equals lowercase dot find of D, I can then take that and put that into, use that in the uppercase. So let's take uppercase position, and we find that we have an error because I can't type. Let's try that again. P-O-S-O-T, position. Alright, so now we got the position right. Now I can check and say, yes, uppercase position is in the exact same place. Not surprising, because what was the value of position? It was 3. In fact, we don't even have to use the word position, because we can take uppercase, and what do we want to do? We want to go now and take lowercase find out where D is in the lowercase, which is 3, and now we can use that 3 in the uppercase to in fact find the D. So what this lets me do is this little expression lets me take any particular character and find its uppercase equivalent. So for example, if I take a character equal to F and I then say to find where that character is in the lowercase and find the corresponding one in the uppercase, sure enough, it works. So we can now use, now that I've played around with this, how do we write a program that does this? So we want to go through my string and I want to take every lowercase character and convert it into an uppercase character. Well, let's input my string, and for every character in my string, first of all, let's check to see if it's a lowercase character. If it's in lowercase, what do I want to do? I want to print the uppercase version of it with no spaces in between. Otherwise, just simply print the character. So let's take a look at our code. Right? If it's lowercase, we convert it to uppercase. If not, we simply print the character. So save it, run it, and there we go. It has converted every lowercase character to an uppercase character.